Is it a monkey girl? What does the monkey say?
Daddy.
You want to make the monkey dance?
This. Daddy.
Daddy will be right back. He had to go to the garage.
God.
Yeah, garage. Yes? Tell Daddy, no way!
Is that your monkey? Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
She's really saying everything.
What does the monkey say? Tell Daddy what the monkey says. Oh, I want to hold you too. But you got to play with your monkeys. Are you tickling yourself? Are you tickling yourself? Are you tickling yourself? My goodness. You're tickling yourself. Oh, ta-da. Oh, you love a monkey.
Dance. She was dancing with her monkey.
Oh.